What's up guys? My kids keep breaking my cables. So for example, these are two braided cables, not cheap at all, as you can see. One is type C and other is lightning. Let me show you. Type C, lightning, hand points are metallic, fully braided, and yet they still keep breaking down from, for example, here or here. So somewhere in between the cable connection breaks down and they stop working, even though they are in perfectly good condition. So I went out to find an unbreakable cable, or at least very hard to break cable. So this is a cable made by Bazius. It is not exclusive to Bazius. Many other brands make cables like these, and the thing about this cable is that it uses Aramid Fiber braiding, which they claim that is also used in rockets and is very hard to break and things like that. Even if you look into it, it says Bazius Unbreakable series, so like it is unbreakable in that sense. So I have ordered this. You should be able to find it in around $30. So again, not cheap. When it comes to cable, it is 100 watt and also can transmit 480 megabytes per second data transfer. So let's check it out. There is some documentation and stickers inside which can remain inside. Not interested in those. And this is the cable, the unbreakable cable. You can see the sides, how very solid, full metallic look, colored port from the inside. You can get it in lightning as well as in type C. I was looking for type C, but I will probably, if it turns out to be good, then I will also buy it in lightning. You can see this part is also given extra covering so that the cable does not break from here, and this part they say that uses Aramid Fiber braiding, so they say this will not break down. Overall look wise it looks good. I think it has indicators as well, at least this one looks like. And let me unwrap it. Okay, feels solid in the sense that this part does feel like it is solid and more protective as compared to the other cables, but who knows, these parts also look really nice and feel like they will not break down very easily, but who knows. So this is the cable. I thought I should share it with you guys, but it does not end here. Let me give you a quick test just to make sure that it does work. So is it no, it doesn't look like an LED. I thought it would be an LED. It does work. As you can see, it is fast charging my mobile phone right here. So this is the cable that they claim is unbreakable, or at least it is in the unbreakable series. I am going to use it for my kids and let's see how it goes. I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.